Hey everybody, you guys are probably wondering, who is this guy? I think I remember him, but I haven't seen him in like 9 months, 6 months, something like that. Yeah, I apologize. I haven't been here, I haven't been around. I'm still busy at the practice, but you'll be glad to know that in the building of the channel and how I wanted to give it some direction. One of the things I wanted to do is to educate and excite college kids as to what optometry can mean for them. So as I'm trying to figure out what to do and how to integrate this all into the YouTube channel with being able to teach these undergraduate kids more about optometry and excite them, I stumbled across Harvard University's Higher Education Teaching Certificate program. And I thought, man, that could work. I mean, think about it. I was wondering who I could have help teach me build a syllabus for this program I want to build. And it was all right there. Not only done by people who know how to build courses, but some of the best educators in the world. So I dove in, and it was amazing. It was a lot of work. It was hard. It took me weeks. It was an 8-week program. Probably went a little bit longer because I had to build in what I wanted to do, and I wanted a good week or two to set up what I wanted for goals in the course before the course even started. I'm kind of like that, but it was good. It was great. It exceeded my expectations, and if any of you guys are in the teaching world and that interests you, I'm going to put the link to the class down below. It was through the Derek Bach Education School at Harvard, and it taught me a lot. It taught me exactly what I needed to know for this. So that's what I've been up to. So anyways, here she is, my Higher Education Teaching Certificate from Harvard, and I'm really excited. I'm really excited that I now have that base to be able to go from to help teach these kids. And I'm going to integrate a lot of that into the YouTube channel as well. What else is going on? I have a business that we're about to launch in the next month or so. I will be showing you, matter of fact, my next video is going to be a pretty good hint at what that is. And that should be coming out. I plan on getting us back. Here we are, end of summer, and I am ready to get back to my weekly videos. I have a long list of things I want to do. You guys have been great. The support that I've gotten when I haven't been actively making videos has been amazing. I can't get over the number of views, the number of subscribers that I'm getting, and that just tells me that I've got to get back at this. So if you guys have any other direction you think I should go in, let me know, because I'd love to do it. We just brought another optometrist onto the practice, Dr. Graham Stetson. He's awesome. So he hopefully is going to free up some of my time so that I can do more of this. And it's pretty exciting. So I'm glad you guys stuck around to watch more of what I had to say. And I hope that you'll let me know what it is you think that we should be doing and what direction you'd like to see us go. So certainly put those notes down in the description box below. And until next week, take care.